Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here. Today is a very exciting day because Max and Lily have something special to share with you. Max loves solving mysteries. Lily loves asking questions. Together, they believe learning should feel like one big adventure. We know getting ready for preschool can feel exciting and sometimes a little overwhelming. That's why we wanted to create something different, not pressure, just playful activities that help children build confidence, curiosity, and important everyday skills.